In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find starred elements on Canva. If you've ever saved graphics, photos, or other assets as favorites, and then couldn't remember where to access them, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where they live inside the Canva editor so you can get to them fast. Start by opening the project you want to work on. Once your design is on the screen, look to the left side of the editor. You'll see a tall vertical sidebar. This is the main navigation for all your design tools and resources. It's where you typically find things like elements, text, uploads, and apps. In that same sidebar, there's an option called Starred. This is the dedicated space Canva uses to collect everything you've marked as a favorite across your account. If you don't see Starred right away, don't worry. When you have a lot of apps or panels available, the list can be long. Simply hover your cursor over the sidebar and scroll down until you spot the Starred option. It may appear below other tools or app integrations, so be sure to scroll through the full list. Once you find it, click it. The moment you click Starred, a panel opens showing your saved favorites. These are the elements you previously marked, all in one place for quick access. You'll typically see thumbnails for things like graphics, shapes, photos, videos, and other design assets you've chosen to keep handy. This view is meant to help you visually scan your favorites and grab what you need without searching through the broader library. If the Starred panel looks empty, that simply means you haven't marked any items as favorites yet in past sessions. Starred is a reflection of what you've already saved, so the more you curate over time, the more useful this space becomes. It's also account-wide, which means the starred items you've saved will be available across your projects, not just in the one you're currently editing. That's all there is to it. Open your project, check the left sidebar, scroll if necessary to locate the starred option, and click it to see everything you've previously saved as a favorite. Keeping your most used elements in starred can speed up your workflow and make your designs more consistent, since your go-to assets are always just a click away.